For investors that are starting, looking for how to allocate their capital, right? There's a lot of different funds out there. What are some maybe checklist items that they should look at when underwriting some funds?
Certainly. First of all, make sure that it's a regulated fund. Secondly, I suggest to look at the portfolio team, their experience in this market. Our particular traders have been exposed to this asset class since 2013. To make sure that the people on the other side of the fund are regulated themselves, they're qualified, they understand this space, and they've actually got skin in the game. So if you're looking at investing in a fund and the directors themselves do not have any skin in the game, then you have to ask yourself the question. Whereas here within ARC 36, the executive directors have skin in the game, they're invested in the fund themselves. And I think that speaks volumes. So as a potential investor, looking at and kind of looking at other funds to put their money in, make sure you do your background search on the owners of the fund, their qualifications and what they're up to. Look at the past performance of the fund. Have many conversations with the team. Many times we have investors come to our investor office. They want to meet the fund administrator. They want to meet the portfolio team. And if you're going to a fund and, they're not giving you access to these people, you need to think yourself, why? Why can't I speak to the portfolio manager? Why can't I speak to the risk manager? For me, really, it's all about transparency. What we offer here at ARC 36 is a live investor dashboard. So as soon as we onboard an investor to the fund, we give them access to a dashboard. They can see pretty much in real time their investment. They can also see their portfolio. They can see the assets we're invested in. We don't have anything to hide here. We want to make sure that our investors are fully happy, they're aware, and they know what they're doing with their money. So that's one bit of advice I would look at to any potential investor looking at investing in a fund is look at the license, look at the owners, ask to see fact sheets. If they're not willing to produce a fact sheet, that's got to raise alarm bells. So I think really to sum up, Joe, is the transparency, the credibility, and the team itself is very important.